Hello everyone, welcome to School on Screen. So this is Aditi ma'am and today I'm going to teach you English grammar and it is meant for class 5. So the chapter is sentence. So let's begin our session. So at first we need to know what is a sentence. Okay. So what is a sentence? We all know that sentence means a word or a group of words when placed side by side to form a meaningful sense. Look at, you have 3 boxes below. Look at them. Look at the box number 1, first sentence. They play. So is it really making sense? They play. Look at box number 2, first sentence. They are playing. Okay. So in 3 boxes मैंने डिवाइड किए 3 बॉक्स को डिफरेंट सेंटेंस टाइप से. ओके बच्चों, सो देखो फर्स्ट बॉक्स में वी हैव स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस. दे प्ले, शी डांसेस, प्लीज लुक हियर. सो देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस यूज्ड हियर. ओके, नाउ शी डांसेस. यस, इट इज यूजुअल दैट शी डांसेस. वो नाचती है. सो इसमें गलत क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. इट्स अ सेंटेंस, राइट. अगर हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि वो नाचती है, वो लोग खेलता है. इंग्लिश में दे प्ले, एज सिंपल एज दैट. ओके, सो लुक एट बॉक्स नंबर 2. फर्स्ट बुलेट, दे आर प्लेइंग. वो अभी खेल रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स इट इज इन द कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म. They are doing it right now. They are playing. Okay. So here, this is also a sentence. 2 or more words placed side by side to form a meaningful sense. Okay. दूसरा sentence देखिए. Shut the door. This sentence, shut the door. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर आपको हम बोलते हैं कि दरवाज़ा बंद कीजिए, बना सेंटेंस? नहीं बना. बना. वाई? बिकॉज इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू टू शट द डोर, दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू क्लोज द डोर, एंड विच इज एन एडवाइस और एन ऑर्डर. व्हेन योर पेरेंट्स गिव यू ऑर्डर कि बेटा दूध पी लो, हाथ धो लिया करो, वॉश योर हैंड्स प्रॉपरली, शट द डोर, open the window, drink water every day, you should drink milk. So these are also a type of sentence. We will do the types today only. Okay, and look at the third one, third box, first sentence. What is your name? I'm asking you, what is your name? Where do you live? Okay, and if I say wow, nice dress, then it is also a type of sentence. Okay, so we will do the type in our next slide. So here we are. We need to say that there are various types of sentences, but at first we will do assertive or declarative sentence. Okay, assertive or declarative sentence means the sentences which will give you a statement or assert you something. Okay, if I say the sun rises at the east. Okay, so what is this? This is a statement that we usually know, that the sun rises in the east. If we say honesty is the best policy, what is this? A statement. We all know that if you are honest at our work, we will always be better at any other's judgment. Okay, so हम लोग को कभी भी कोई काम honesty करनी चाहिए, right? So honesty is the best policy. If I say that I usually wake up at 7 a.m. full stop. So what is this? This is also an assertive or declarative sentence. Why declarative sentence? Just because I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Okay, here in this sentence we are learning that we usually wake up, उठते हैं, it's a habit of ours. So this also comes under declarative or assertive sentence. Now we have the second most important thing, that is optative sentence. Okay, optative sentence means when someone is blessing you, okay, or wishing you something, blessing you or wishing you something. If I wish you a very happy birthday, if I wish you all the best for your exam, if I say that may God bless you, okay, so which type of sentences are this? These are optative sentence. You need to learn the spelling as well. Okay, now we will do imperative sentence. Imperative sentence will give you advice, order and request. Okay, so एक से एक करते हम लोग. पहले we will do advice sentence. Advice sentence में we will first do if I say you, see, you should learn English. Okay, if I say you should learn English, in this sentence I am giving you an advice to learn English. Okay, and if I order you, like if people order you, say, I can give you an example of shut the door that we see in our next previous slide. Shut the door, that example can also be given. So in shut the door, what I am doing? I am ordering you. What I am ordering you? I am ordering you in a rough voice. Okay, if your teacher, suppose your teacher tells you, do not go out of the class, do not speak in the class, means they are in a rush voice, टोन उसकी बहुत हाई होंगी. अगर मम्मी पापा टीचर्स गुस्से से, हमेशा नहीं, गुस्से से हो या फिर strictly if they are saying something, okay, then it will be an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence also has request form. Okay, we will do it now. Okay, wait. Request form मतलब कैसा वो request भी है. In request form, what we have? We have to use please. The word please means to request something from someone. So if I say, please listen to my words carefully. Okay, if I say please listen to my words carefully, okay, it will help you in future. That means I'm requesting you in a sense. Yes, yes, I am requesting you, dears. And if I say please solve grammar daily, that also means the same thing. I am requesting you to solve grammar daily, right? So this sentence also is an example of imperative sentence. Next we have interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogation always asks question. If I say what is your name? Okay, so what is used over here? We have used a question mark. Yes, question mark is used. Whenever in a sentence you will find a question mark, okay, that sentence will be interrogative sentence. Interrogation मतलब पूछना, ask questions. Okay, very good. Now come to the last part of our today's session, that is exclamatory sentence. Now what is exclamation? Exclamation means this sign. whenever you find this particular sign in your sentence, then it is exclamatory sentence. So this is the way you will come to know which sentence is that. But we should know what are the functions of exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence will tell you when you are surprised, okay, when you are sad, when you are in happiness, will always tell you when you are in some state. If I am surprised, I will tell, wow, what a match, right? Wow. I also may use this word, hooray, we have won the game. Okay, so wow, hooray. After these words, we will put an exclamation mark. Whenever, as soon as we are putting the exclamation mark, okay, that sentence will be exclamatory sentence. So this is what the chapter sentence is. I hope you understand this chapter. Please, my next advice is please practice at home. Thank you.